Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing with you what I ate in a day. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I start off with lemon zinger herbal tea, and I really love this blend. It's not too sweet and it's not too much sugar, but I just like to drink it as is with just hot water, and I let that steep for about 5 minutes. Cleaning off some blueberries before I apply it to my yogurt bowl. You just want to make sure you rinse it thoroughly with the fruit and vegetable soap of your choice, just to get all the pesticides and any residue and gunk off of the fruits. Make sure they are washed and ready to go. Then you want to get your yogurt of choice. I decided to use a dairy-free So Delicious brand, and it is coconut milk, and it's really yummy. They were on point when they decided to go with the brand So Delicious, because it's really yummy. You just want to always stir it inside the container before applying it to a bowl. Now to dress up the yogurt, I decided to use milled flax seeds, about 2 tablespoons, and flax seeds are really good for anti-inflammatory, omega-3 fatty acids, digestion, lower cholesterol, it reduces sugar cravings, and it helps with clearing your skin, so it's really good with protein. Then I like to use some granola. This one was a maple pecan. I got this from the website called Brandless, and it's basically a website that has a lot of foods that is non-GMO, no artificial flavors, organic, natural, and it's really good, and everything is $3 on that website. I will link that information in the description bar if you are interested. And then you just add in the blueberries, and that's pretty much it, what I had for breakfast. Moving on to lunch, I decided to make a salad, and I wanted to use the last bit of the veggies that I had in my refrigerator. So that's 3 stalks of celery, and they're very tiny, but it was doable for one person salad. So you just want to chop up the celery very finely. And then chop up the tomato as well. I like to use the Baby Spring Mix, and it's the Organic Girl brand of a whole bunch of different greens. So you just add that into your bowl. I just grabbed maybe about 3 handfuls of lettuce. Then I just add in the celery and the tomatoes and kind of decorate the plate, because I like decorating my plates every time I make some food. I don't know, it just makes everything look so colorful and so vibrant, and it just looks so good. I added a few pieces of walnuts because I always like to have some type of nuts or seeds to all my salads. I added some veggie nuggets. Topped it off with the avocado vinaigrette dressing that I got from Whole Foods, and I love this dressing, you guys. It's really good. Then for dinner, I decided to have some penne pasta and broccoli, so I just boiled that beforehand, added some garlic to the pan, seasoned it with nutritional yeast flakes, some paprika, Italian seasoning, and some black pepper. And I just mixed that all together, so I coated it evenly to get that cheesy, garlicky flavor, and let it steam well together. And that's pretty much it. I had this for dinner, and it was very filling. I think I had about 2 plates, you guys, but don't tell nobody. But yeah, it was so good. And you just want to serve it as to your liking. You can add a piece of garlic bread or whatever you want to any things to jazz it up a bit, but I felt like this was just a good amount for me. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, so that way I know you enjoyed seeing food videos on my channel, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one. So just stay tuned one more second to see the next video. Just click right into it, and I'll meet you over there. I hope you guys are doing well, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a blessed day.